Hello partner carriers, and thank you for running with KNX Logistics and UTXL. We're excited to introduce our new FreightBox tool designed to help our drivers track trailer possession while running our loads. This will improve trailer reliability, provide accurate trailer options for each of you, and ensure on-time pickup and deliveries to keep our customers happy. Getting started is simple. Just take out your smartphone and scan one of our QR codes, which are located on all 4 sides of the trailer. If there isn't a QR code present, contact your dispatcher at KNX Logistics or UTXL immediately to get the link to FreightBox. After scanning the QR code or entering the link manually into your browser, you'll be redirected to our FreightBox platform, which will ask you to enter in your Knight-Swift or UTXL order number and your phone number. We use the phone number solely for identification purposes, ensuring that you're the authorized driver attaching to our trailers. If the load is being relayed or picked up by a local driver before being handed off to a line haul driver, both drivers should use the same order number in addition to their respective phone numbers. Follow the prompts to log in, then complete the 2-factor authentication. Next, select the action taken on this trailer for the power-only workflow. Empty for the shipper when you bring an empty into the shipper, loaded trailer when you pick up a loaded trailer from the shipper, or empty to return when you leave the receiver with an empty trailer. If you bobtail into the shipper or out of the receiver, please notify your broker immediately. Choose either attach or detach on what you are needing to complete, and then continue to perform a pre-trip assessment. Check for any damages and verify the trailer's road readiness, staying compliant with all DOT regulations. Pre- and post-trip inspections are required each time one of our trailers is attached or detached, and after completing the assessment, take 6 photos of the trailer from different angles to document the condition at the time of pickup. Once you click submit, all this information is sent to the appropriate systems and you're good to go. If you encounter any issues during the workflow, contact your broker right away. Thanks for helping us to improve your experience.